Hi friends! I'm Luna the lab cat. And today we're making a rainbow volcano. Are you ready to see it explode? Let's go! We only need 6 basic elements to make a volcano. First, baking soda. Second, white vinegar. Third, red, yellow and blue food color. Fourth, a liquid state dish soap. Fifth, a plastic cup or bottle. And the last one is a tray or plate so we don't get messy. Now we are ready to prepare a volcano. Follow the steps. Step 1, decorate the cup as a volcano. Whoa! Step 2, add 2 big spoons of baking soda into the cup. Step 3, place the cup in the center of the tray. This is your volcano. Okay. Step 4, drop red, yellow, and blue food coloring in. Step 5, now squirt in a little dish soap. This makes our volcano extra bubbly. Step 6 and the last step to make the volcano explode. Slowly pour vinegar into the cup. Now comes the magic. 3, 2, 1! Look at the rainbow fizz and foam.
Now kids, let's understand the science behind it. Science talk. When vinegar, an acid, meets baking soda, a base, they have a bubbly reaction. That makes all the fizz you see. It's science magic.
Thanks for making a rainbow volcano with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science. Bye bye, little scientists.